I just have a hot date at Richards tonight about 6:30. So.
Do you really? What time is it now?
Oh, I don't know. I figure about 5:30 it gets dark.
Because what I can do is we can spray oil all over this and put it in something.
Well, if you'd rather do it that way and let it sit and make it easier, that's fine.
Well, my thinking is that you could drop a boat right there, and you could go prepare for your hot day. Take a video camera with you and get pictures tonight. I get a lot of hits if you got some pictures.
That would be incriminating.
Well, yeah.
I don't want to incriminate myself. Come on, get right.
Incriminate a lot of people if I can.
I'd have to have a long chit chat with Reverend Jim.
Imagine all the people would want to see that. Y'all tell me out there, wouldn't y'all like to see that? He's a pretty handsome fella for his age. Just imagine, I bet he'd have a big time tonight. We'd all get to, all us old folks is too old to be out on a date or anything. Besides, I'm married. I can't. You got all kind of crap in here. I can't believe you got that much dirt in there. And you ain't been dragging it around in the.
I told you it's been sitting up for at least 2 years, if not longer.
You've said that so many times. I feel like I don't want to hear it anymore. Let's do that.
You want to let that set so you can get it out. Let's do that and make it easy on you.
Well, I'm not so much thinking that, but I am thinking it might be easier on everybody if we gave this a good soak down about as much as I can. Now, I could go ahead and take off this part that I can probably get off here. This thing right here, because it's going to have, this thing's got so many little valves and things in it.
Well, that's the end of the carpet. Don't try this at home.
Yeah, let's let it soak.
I think you're going to have to let it sit up.
Well, it wouldn't be the best thing to soak it in. Something I could pour in there. I've got some. I know it might be good.
No, we don't have any gaskets left in there, do we?
Yeah, that's got gaskets. I think gaskets should be fine. You know what I'm
gonna do? Even if you let it sit up in
this gasket, I'm just gonna pour it in there with it. And let that sit all night. This was in the dash of that blue truck that I bought.
Oh, really?
I didn't pay high dollars for it.